Hey everyone, Robbo here from Virtual Reality Action. I've been asked how I make my videos for my Instagram, and so this is a short video on how I do that. So I use the Oculus Quest 2, or I think they call it actually the Meta Quest 2 now. And so all you need to do is turn it on and get it booted up. I'll see you inside. Cool, so you've booted up your Meta Quest 2, you've set up your Guardian boundary, and now you should be here. Maybe not in this environment, but you should have this bar in front of you here. So to make videos, you click on the sharing button here, and up in the top right, you click on recording. Note that my recording button has got a pink dot up in the top right hand corner. That means that I'm recording now. And once you're done with your recording, you just click the button again and it turns off. And it's as simple as that. Or is it? So, if you do that, this will give you a 1024 by 1024 pixel resolution, or a 1:1 ratio, which is actually pretty good for Instagram. But what about making videos for YouTube? So to make videos for YouTube, if you want a better resolution, you have to actually download SideQuest. And I'll show you that in just a moment. Cool, alright. So now we are on my computer and I'm using OBS Studio just to record this. So what I'm doing now is, with the charge cable for the Oculus Quest 2, I'm just plugging that into the PC, and you'll see in a second that'll come up. Cool, so it's connected, and I use SideQuest to change the recording settings. So this is SideQuest here, and we look for the spanner, device settings and tools. So we click on that. And all I do in here is I go down to this one here, streaming and video, and I just click on full HD. So just click that, goes capture settings, set OK, and then on the Quest I just cycle the power button, so you turn it on and off straight away. So let's do that. Cool. So we've changed the settings on the Quest 2 only temporarily using SideQuest. So we've cycled the power, we've logged back in, and we've gone back to our sharing button and clicked share. So we'll just quickly. So we've clicked the pink sharing button, and we've clicked on recording, and now we're recording in 1080p. We only get roughly 20 minutes of recording doing this. I'm not sure why the limitation is there, but that's just the limitation we live with. When you finish your recording, you have to come back here and finish the recording by clicking the recording button. If you don't, it doesn't finish the recording and all of your recording is lost. So make sure that you click it. So we'll do that now. Okay. So we've finished recording, and now we want to get our footage from the Quest 2 onto the PC so that we can upload it or edit it or do what we need to do before we can put it onto social media or YouTube. So what we have to do now is plug the Quest 2 back into the PC. So plugging in the PC. And in the Quest, you have to click allow connected device to access files. So allow. Click. Cool. Alright. Cool. Okay, that's good. Now we should be able to go into my files. Let's open that up. On the left hand side should be Quest 2, so we click on that, internal shared storage, and we go into Oculus, and then video shots, And this is everything on my Quest 2 at the moment. So I'm going to view by details. Make sure that the latest one is here at the top. And I've got a couple that I want to put on. There's 4 from today. There we go. Control C, copy them. And then media. No, mine's on the desktop. Here we go. Desktop, VRA, video. Let's go new. And it is Quest 2 recording tutorial. Cool. And we copy them in here. I just clicked Control V on my keyboard. And now it's all in there for me to edit. So that is how we do it. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can flick me a DM or drop me a comment, whatever you want, however you want to communicate. Don't be a stranger. Cool. Robbo signing out.